In this video, we are going to show how to set ADL 300 for synchronous motors with EPC function. First, we need to check the CAN LED. This CAN LED should be stable. To open the CAN bus communication, first we are entering the drive config and set the access mode to expert. After that, press escape to return main menu, press up and find communication, press enter. In the field bus config, press enter again, and field bus type should be set to CAN open. Field bus baud rate should be 125K and field bus address to 3. Press escape to return menu, press save, press E to save, and after that we are turning off the control panel power and waiting to drive shut off. After drive turned off, we are enabling the power again, and we are going to wait until the CAN LED stable. This means the communication between G1 and the drive is okay. After the drive open, it may reset a few times. It's normal. We just need to wait. Okay, as you can see, the CAN LED is stable now. Now we can start the startup wizard. Press E on startup wizard, press E to set motor data and enter your motor data. I'm going to enter the data according to my motor. You just enter the data from your motor label. Pole pairs should be the half of the pole number in your motor label. If your motor is 20 poles, you need to enter 10. Okay, before run auto tune still, we need to check the G1 board for a few signals. Press right button to enter girişler or input in English and find K and S. These two means the inspection switch on roof cabinet roof and shaft pit. This should be normal, and the inspection switch in the control panel should be on inspection mode. And when we press the run button, you should see the safety circuit becomes on. After that, press E to start auto tune still and press run button. After you press run, the auto tune should start. During this process, you may hear sound from motor. It's completely normal. We just need to wait until it's finished. Okay, it's finished now. I'm releasing the button and you can see auto tune is done. Now we are going to enter the encoder parameters. Our encoder is sinus and dot. Encoder signal check is disabled. Encoder pulse is 2048. Encoder supply and run phasing still. It's the same with auto-tune still. So I'm just pressing A again, and I'm pressing the run button. As you can see, it's also finished and it's done. Now we are going to enter the max motor speed data. Full scale speed is the same with the motor RPM, the motor speed. It's the same. Motor nominal speed. And overspeed threshold is 10% or 20% more than the nominal speed. And set max car speed is our car speed, which speed is the elevator is going to run. It's 1 meter per second for our elevator. And system weights, we are going to enter the mechanical data of our car and counterweight and ropes. So our car is around 600 kilograms. Our counterweight is 1000. And our capacity, carry capacity is 800. Rope weight is around 100 kilogram. And when you see the gearbox inertia, you press escape. Escape again and enter the lift. Inside the lift, enter the mechanical data. For gearbox ratio, if it's direct drive, you need to enter 1. If it's 1/4-2 suspension, you need to enter 2. And for the play diameter, you need to enter the measured data from your motor. For our motor, we measured 24 centimeter, so I'm entering 0.24. I'm pressing down to find mechanical calculation mode and switching it to mechanical data mode. I'm pressing up again, and calculation speed regulation gains. I'm just pressing enter, turn it on and enter again. As you can see, it switched to off again. It's completely normal. Turning it to on once is enough. Press escape again and enter the speed. Now I'm going to enter the elevator speeds. Multi-speed 0 is 0. This is the normal speed, the working speed, 1 meter point. Speed 0 cycle, I'm going to set 0.5. Speed jog is inspection speed, 0.3. Self-study speed is 0.5. Speed battery mode is rescue speed is 0.1. And multi-speed 6, you should also set this to 0.1. And multi-speed 7 is 0. Press escape and enter sequences. Inside the sequences, find brake open delay and set it to 600. Brake close delay to 600. And current ramp down delay to 400. Press down to find speed 0 threshold and make sure it's 1. And speed 0 delay to 400. Now press escape again, press save button, press E to save, and it's done. Now it's ready to run in inspection.